Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a get ready with me. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. My primer. This is the e.l.f. Grip Primer. So I'm gonna put some of that on first. Come out. I normally don't put none on my forehead because my hair is gonna cover it anyway. I can really do anything. So next will be, where is it? I want to put on foundation because it should be coming off. So I think I'm gonna put some concealer on. It's really just a simple little thing because I'm gonna put some LA Pro Girl. And down my big nose. So that's the wrong brush, by the way. This is the brush. This is my Lux crease brush, but I normally, like, I use it sometimes, but I think I like my beauty blender. I'm back. I got 3 of my beauty blenders. Oh, and then they fail. But anyway, I don't know which one to use. I'm probably gonna use this one. I'm spraying it with my Morphe continuous spray. And then I'm gonna go in, you know, and just pat it out. Okay, now I'm gonna use this. And then I'm gonna spray my Morphe again. But I'm going off in the corners. Next, I'm gonna do my contour. And I got the Black Radiance contour palette. I like this. Even though I want some cream contour, I like this better. I'm taking this Expert face brush because this is what I put my contour with. So I'm just gonna dab a little and I'm gonna tap it, and then I'm just gonna go on the side. Like, I hold my face like this because it kind of gives me another angle. So wait, okay, just draw that a line right up under there and then check it up. But I try to, like, do it that way so, like, they can blend in. And, like, I normally go on top of the forehead part. That's what I'm saying, because I don't really need it. Because, like, I stick it up here and I just drag it down. I go in with this type of brush. I tap it and then I just okay, now I'm taking that same brush we did this week, you know. Gonna take it and I'm gonna take the deep brown contour parts and I'm just gonna smudge it out, kind of blend it in with that over there on the side. And sometimes my makeup come out looking like I ain't got no makeup on at all. I be like, girl, all this effort to look like I ain't got makeup on. What am I doing? But, you know, I'm gonna take this setting brush. So I'm gonna go in with this banana first. I'm gonna take it and I'm just go up on my eyes. just set it with it, but I'm gonna blend it out when I get to that right there, so it'll be more. I want to take a little bit on this side first, and then like I take the banana first, and then I do the other kind. What is it? Let me see. It's deep, like it's more so my color, so it kind of like brings it in a little bit more. But I don't know if I want to do that. I might want to keep the banana tonight. That is set, and I'm gonna close this back up, and then I'm gonna take the banana, not the banana, what's wrong with me, the deep, and I'm gonna use this for my eyebrows. Y'all, I just forgot this rug. I can't hold it up there. I gotta put it right here. I'm gonna go up under eyebrows with this. So now I'm gonna go back in with this Deluxe Crease Brush. I'm gonna morphe the brush again. Okay, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go down my nose. So I don't know. That's how it is. And then I'm gonna set it with the deep. But I'm gonna take this same one. No, take that back. I'm not gonna take that, because I have different ones that's like for setting and all that for powder. I think this one is for foundation, which I need to clean it. Ugh, it's dirty. And I think this one is my setting. I only take that, like that amount, that small amount, and then I hold it and grip it like this. Take that same brush. Hi guys, I'm back after a long time putting my eyelashes on. Whew. I don't wear eyelashes like that. So, yeah, it's a great thing. Now I'm going in. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go in with this Voluminous Butterfly Waterproof. This is the false lashes from Maybelline Volume Express. So I haven't had it. This is Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. So I'm gonna use all three of those. I normally go with the waterproof first. Now I'm doing highlights and inner crease. Got this little eyeshadow brush, but I use it for my crease because it's so small, and sometimes my highlights, it's just like small and I can just do anything with. So I'm gonna take this single, I don't know how to say it, but take that color right there. I'm gonna put it off in there. I just dab it. And then I just take my concealer brush and just fan it out. Fan it out both ways. Can't see it right now, but yeah. I blow the brush sometimes because, yeah. Oh, it's a lot of pigment. And then for my nose, take it again. But I normally just do it right here. I'm gonna do it like that because, yeah. And I'm gonna take that same brush that was for my contour. And just do it like that. And then gonna take the same thing. Just take the end. And then I'm gonna do my hair and then come back for my lip. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna do white. I'm talking. But now I'm gonna go back in with my mascara because the white completely covered it, which I should have did this before. So I only got dressed half down. So I'm gonna do my lips. She red. I gotta turn my face. This is the finished look. I wanna see my feet. I ain't got my shoes on, but I think it's feet. You know what I'm saying? That's still a basic top. You know, the jeans. They got everything. Bam. Your girl is out. You know. So yeah, but thank you for tuning in to my channel. You know, there's more for where that came from. You know, and hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye guys.